I'm here today at Forest Lawn Memorial Park in Hollywood Hills, California, and I'm driving to the final resting place of singer and actor Lou Rawls. I'll make a left-hand turn here at the 2nd Street inside the front gates. His crypt is located in the Court of Remembrance Garden Mausoleum, which is up ahead and just a short distance from the front gate. It's that time of year again when the cemeteries are full of Valentine's wreaths and flowers and balloons. So I figured who better to visit today at Forest Lawn Hollywood Hills than the man who's remembered for his many popular hit love songs. Now, instead of going straight down this path into the first courtyard, you make a right and stay on the outside of the courtyard. And then at the end of the sidewalk, make a left and go around to the other side. And on the left-hand side, you'll see the plaque marking his crypt. During his long and very successful music career, Lou Rawls released more than 60 albums, and he sold more than 40 million records. That's quite an impressive achievement. And he's also a 3-time Grammy winner. I'll pan around so you can get a better idea of the location. And just across the lawn is the crypt of singer Andy Gibb. His final resting place is right above the bench with the yellow flowers. In the late 1970s, Andy had a string of hit love songs, including his biggest hit, I Just Want to Be Your Everything. Lou and Andy are certainly in good company here together. In addition to his music career, Rawls also appeared in a number of movies and in numerous TV shows over the years. He left behind quite a legacy. If you're a fan of Rawls, please leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more famous final resting places. So as always, thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time.